Congress ally NCP says that with assembly elections around the corner, Congress must get its act together. Praful Patel says a lot of his colleagues in the party are dissatisfied and disgruntled about the way things currently stand.
Well, considering the loss of the government in Delhi and the ensuing elections in states like Maharashtra and Haryana, I'm sure the Congress needs to introspect and try to, rebuild the party from now on. And at least, okay, we can understand that immediately it takes a little time for things to happen. But I think the time is now. And
so there are assembly elections just around the corner, whether it's Maharashtra, Haryana, and you see what's happening in Delhi. There is talk of Congress MLAs breaking away and, falling.
No, there is a lot of dissatisfaction amongst the Congress party colleagues, which I have been talking to. And definitely both in Delhi and in Mumbai, there is, a sort of discontent. Could be for various reasons, but I'm sure the Congress leadership should take a call on all these things at the earliest because I think the assembly elections being very crucial for the rebuilding of the Congress and all other parties at the national level.
Mr. Pawar has earlier, put on record his reservations about working with Rahul. Do you feel that the discontent that you talk about amongst the Congress leaders also reflects that? The leadership, the new leadership?
Well, I don't know what ultimately the Congress will decide, but we certainly, feel that the revival of the Congress is very important at a national level.
Nandita reporting live on the story. Nandita, the point that Praful Patel is making on behalf of his colleagues in the Congress is that time is of critical importance here. There are assembly elections coming up in various states. No time should be lost in reshuffling the top leadership.
But Praful Patel is clearly saying what his friends in the Congress cannot because even though many congressmen are talking about things not being well in the party, they will not come out and say it on record. But Praful Patel, being a part of the NCP, has no such compulsion to stay quiet and therefore says that his friends in the Congress express their dissatisfaction and discontent at the way things are moving or the fact that things are not moving really within the party. So there is a huge clamor now within the Congress that there has to be a restructuring or a reshuffle that should take place, and a clear directive has to come from the Congress High Command to tell them on what the party's preparation is going to be for the polls. The earlier issues on which the Congress has fought the 2014 elections clearly did not go down well with the electorate. Of course, there was a huge anti-incumbency also, but leaders like A.K. Antony have also spoken about how, their focus on one particular minority may have alienated others. So these are all issues that are waiting to be discussed within the Congress party, and there is this growing feeling that the High Command has not really managed to address these issues on one big table, and there is some direction that Congress leaders are in a sense waiting for. So that dissatisfaction is what Praful Patel, a close ally of the Congress, is talking about.